Hi, this is Candy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify and use some of the advanced tools while you're doing your Screencastify videos. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hit record just like we always would. And I'm going to choose to record my desktop this time. And you could do this in the browser tab and the desktop options. I'm going to click show more options. I'm going to make sure my drawing tools are selected. I'm going to go ahead and hit record. So I'm going to hit entire screen since I'm doing a desktop recording. And you notice my little thing came up, and then down here are a bunch of tools, okay? So the first one here is pause recording, so I can hit that. My recording will pause, and you'll notice that I can either resume my recording or I can end my recording. So I'm gonna go ahead and resume the recording. The next tool over is the mouse pointer tool, so it's just normally your normal mouse cursor. You can, however, make a focus mouse, and so that highlights what you are doing, okay? You can hide the cursor. Oh, you have to toggle it off and on here. So those are all off right now. So now I could hide my cursor when it's not being moved. So you'll notice it disappears. And then I can toggle that off, and then I'll highlight click. So what that means is if I actually click on something, did you see a little red circle that popped up? So I could highlight something that I'm clicking on. So if I'm doing an instructional video on how to use some kind of application, I can highlight the clicks. Then I can annotate on it, so I can go ahead and write on it, which is great. But know that and I'm just using the mouse to do this, but you'll notice your annotations will not be saved. You can change the color of your annotations, so I can put another color in there. This next tool is the eraser tool, and I can just erase just a little bit. Maybe I made a mistake, or if I hit this button here, I can wipe the screen clear. Your annotations will not be saved. Let's say I wanted to, I didn't have my webcam going, I can toggle it off and on here. And then I can also hide the tools by pushing this button. One thing I do want you to notice is that these tools are great when you are in just a browser tab. That's when the tools work. When I go to just hit present on a Google Slides, notice I no longer have access to my tools. So that is one of the downsides. I will also, if I go to like a Microsoft product, notice my tools have disappeared again. So I really only have, if I have them in a PowerPoint, my tools have disappeared. So I really only have access to those tools when I am in a browser tab, and it doesn't work on all browser tabs. There are some that it'll give you an error message that it does not work.